From the depths of classified programs to the front lines of global conflict, one aircraft embodies the pinnacle of aerospace engineering and strategic might, the Northrop B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. Its sleek, enigmatic form has graced the skies for decades, capable of striking targets anywhere on the globe, virtually undetected. But its journey from a visionary concept to a combat-proven force multiplier is a testament to perseverance, cutting-edge technology, and an unprecedented approach to systems engineering. Join us as we uncover the fascinating history of the B-2 Spirit. Chapter 1. The Visionary and the Unfulfilled Dream. Our story begins not in the modern era, but decades earlier, with an aerospace genius named Jack Northrop. In the 1920s, Northrop championed a revolutionary concept, the flying wing. This design eliminated the conventional fuselage, minimizing aerodynamic drag and maximizing lift, offering unparalleled efficiency. In 1941, Northrop's company secured a contract with the U.S. Army Air Corps to develop the X-216H into a long-range bomber, the XB-35, with delivery aimed for 1943. To build this vision, Northrop formed a hub-and-spoke network, Otis Elevators on design, on testing, General Manufacturing, and Convair on production. But time was not kind. Engines and flight control systems lagged. Integrating advanced electronics and precise manufacturing proved out of reach. And coordination among partners, who competed elsewhere, was weak. The XB-35 made its first flight in June 1946. 3 years late, roughly 400% over budget, and far short of its 6,000-mile range and 22,000-pound bomb load goals. Control issues plagued it, and accuracy suffered, with a bomb miss radius exceeding 3,000 meters. The program was canceled by 1950, and the dream of the flying wing was ground to a halt. Chapter 2. The Rebirth of Stealth. The flying wing lay dormant until the Cold War's escalating radar threat brought it back to life. The 1973 Yom Kippur War had starkly highlighted aircraft vulnerability to advanced Soviet defenses. Thus emerged the concept of low observables, stealth. In 1974, DARPA began modeling radar cross-section, and computer-aided faceted designs evolved into faceted prototypes. Lockheed pushed the Have Blue 1976 to 1979, culminating in the F-117. Northrop pursued its own path with Tacit Blue 1979 to 1985, a demonstrator of continuous curvature stealth, inlet integration, coatings, and RCS shaping. By 1979, DARPA's Advanced Technology Bomber program was born. Northrop and Lockheed competed with flying wing proposals. On October 20th, 1981, Northrop won its senior ICE design, becoming the B-2 Spirit. This time, partnerships evolved into deeply integrated alliances. Northrop led with Boeing on fuel systems, weapons, landing gear, Vought on wing centers, General Electric on engines, and others, Hughes, low-status firms, etc., all woven into a dense network of information sharing. Tight engineering tolerances and complex stealth trade-offs required unprecedented collaboration. Chapter 3. Engineering a Revolution. Under deep secrecy, the B-2's full-scale engineering development, FSED, began December 1981 and ran to July 1989. The Program Management Directive made security the top priority, then performance, schedule, cost. Key design features: flying wing configuration, efficient aerodynamics and stealth by design. Stealth, low observables, multi-domain signature reduction. Radar, 0.1 square meters RCS. Infrared, visual, acoustic, electromagnetic. Radar stealth via curved, continuously contoured surfaces, carbon graphite composites, RAM coatings, and ultra-tight tolerances. Infrared stealth by burying engines within the wing, mixing boundary layer air with exhaust, no afterburners. Visual stealth via anti-reflective dark paint. Advanced avionics, ANAPQ-181 radar. Terrain-following GPS navigation. Defensive management system for real-time threat adaptation. Quad fly-by-wire. EMP-hardened. MEL-STD. 17508 computers. Fiber optic communications. Armament capacity, dual internal bays, suited for nuclear, B-61, B-83, or conventional JDAMs, up to 80 times GBU-38 or 16 times GBU-31, and rare 2 times GBU-57 massive ordnance penetrators. 2 years into FSED, a major control system flaw emerged. Wing bending at high speed and aeroelastic instability requiring a comprehensive redesign, months before configuration freeze. Engineers deployed. Inboard control surfaces. Redesigned inlets decoupled from front spar. Structural load path redesign. Forward, aft box structure. Cockpit carry-through box addition. These fixes added approximately 6,000 pounds cost and complexity, delaying first flight by 18 months and pushing subsystem CDRs back. Yet the program embraced rigorous systems engineering principles. Integrated requirement to design trade chains. WBS-driven multidiscipline teams sharing a real-time database. Rapid air vehicle reconfiguration processes. Subsystem maturity tracking with schedule flexibility. Decentralized risk management, embedded in WBS task plans. Chapter 4. Operational Prowess and Legacy. The B-2 was revealed publicly on November 22, 1988. It flew first on July 17, 1989. The Spirit of Missouri arrived at Whiteman Air Force Base. On December 17, 1993. IOC followed on January 1, 1997. FOC by December 2003. Operated by 2 pilots with automation allowing rest rides, the fleet numbered 21. But one was lost in Guam. 2008, another caught fire in 2010, eventually repaired. After a 2022 crash, one was retired in May 2024, leaving 19 active B-2s. Combat milestones. Kosovo War, 1999. 30-hour global sorties, 50 missions. 33% of Yugoslav targets destroyed. First combat use of JDAM. Afghanistan, 2001. Longest missions from Whiteman to Central Asia. Iraq War, 2003. Based from Diego Garcia, Guam, RAF Fairford. Dropped 1.5 million pounds of munitions. 44.3-hour mission record. Libya, 2011. 3 B-2s delivered 40 bombs and direct strikes from U.S. South Korea, 2013. Show of force overflights. Yemen, October 2024. B-2. As hit Houthi bunkers from RAAF Tyndall. Iran, June 2025. 6 B-2. As struck Fordo nuclear site with 12 GBU-57s, another hit Natanz, refueled in flight, escorted by FA-18S and EA-18 Growlers. Maintenance is challenging. LO coatings require climate-controlled hangars, approximately $5 million each. Each flight demands LO upkeep, but the 509th Maintenance Group at Whiteman maintains high fleet readiness, with low man-hour per flight metrics. The B-2 remains a dual nuclear conventional deterrent. Planned service extends to 2032, when the B-21 Raider will begin replacing it. In the meantime, ongoing avionics, sensor, and weapons upgrades keep the Spirit lethal in future high-threat airspaces. The B-2 Spirit stands as a remarkable aeronautical achievement. Its journey from a canceled design to a cutting-edge stealth bomber highlights the transformative power of perseverance in engineering and strategic planning. By understanding the lessons learned from its complex development, particularly the critical role of integrated systems engineering and robust alliance networks, we gain insights into the evolution of advanced military capabilities. The B-2's legacy isn't just about technology, but about human ingenuity and collaboration that turned an audacious dream into a formidable reality, securing global peace for decades to come.